Thank you for joining me to learn about the updates to the computer science course pathways that I manage for the upcoming school year. During this presentation, I will also share professional learning opportunities and resources available to support your work. My name is Michelle Pierce, and I am the newest member of my team. I am excited to support this work and to partner with you as we continue strengthening computer science pathways across North Carolina. Since I am new to the team, I want to take a moment to highlight the pathways I will be managing and supporting for the 2026-2027 school year. I will serve as the primary point of contact for the following pathways: AP Computer Science Principles, and Python Programming. I will begin by highlighting important updates and changes to the AP Computer Science pathway for the 2026-2027 school year. There are two important course delivery updates related to advanced placement courses that affect 0A02 AP Computer Science Principles. First, College Board has advised that an AP course audit is required to officially designate a course as an AP course and to gain access to the AP digital portfolio. This audit must be submitted and approved by the course audit administrator no later than October 1st. Second, the AP Summer Institute training is no longer a College Board requirement. However, it remains highly recommended to support effective AP course implementation and instruction. Additionally, because this course fulfills the computer science graduation requirement, it has been removed as a math credit option. As with the previous course, the same AP course delivery updates apply to 0A06 AP Computer Science A. The AP course audit is required no later than October 1st, and AP Summer Institute training is highly recommended. In addition, please note that the course code has changed from 2A02 to 0A06, beginning with the 2026-2027 school year. Additionally, because this course fulfills the computer science graduation requirement, it has been removed as a math credit option. Now, I will review the updates to the computer science principles pathway for the upcoming school year. Erin Pickard will continue serving as the pathway teacher lead. In this role, she will continue to support pathway implementation, instructional initiatives, and collaboration among educators to ensure successful course delivery. CPO5 Coding in Minecraft Expert Coding may be offered at either the middle or high school level, providing flexibility in how schools implement the course within their computer science programs. If offered at the middle grades level, it will satisfy the computer science graduation requirement. The Coding in Minecraft courseware from Prodigy Learning requires a license to Minecraft Education. NCDPI pays for the Prodigy Learning Coding in Minecraft courseware, but does not pay for the Minecraft Education software itself. They are two separate products. Prodigy Learning Coding in Minecraft courseware is not compatible with any other version of Minecraft, including Bedrock, Java, Minecraft EDU, etc. Minecraft Education can be installed for 30 days for free from aka.ms/download. To use Minecraft Education after 30 days, each student needs a license. Licensing is applied to a Microsoft Office 365 education user account. Your PSU may already have a Microsoft Office 365 education license. Please consult with your local IT department to determine if your PSU already has a license. If you do not, your PSU is responsible for purchasing Minecraft education licenses for each student. To support educators, Prodigy Learning offers monthly professional development opportunities. Information about these training sessions is also available through the CTE Resource Center. Additionally, the curriculum guide has been updated to improve accessibility and a summary of changes document can be found in the CTE Resource Center. Please note that no changes have been made to the course content. CS20 Computer Science 1 has been added to the list of courses that may be offered at the middle school level, expanding opportunities for students to engage in computer science learning earlier in their academic journey. If offered at the middle grades level, it will satisfy the computer science graduation requirement. In addition, a new curriculum guide is being released to support course implementation and instructional planning. The guide will provide updated resources and guidance to assist teachers in delivering the course effectively. This guide will be available in the CTE Resource Center no later than August 1st. For pathway continuity, a new curriculum guide will also be released for CS21 Computer Science 2. The guide is designed to ensure alignment across the pathway and provide teachers with clear instructional guidance, resources, and expectations to support successful course implementation. This guide will be available in the CTE Resource Center no later than August 1st. I am pleased to announce the addition of a pathway teacher lead for the Python programming pathway. Tina Fox will serve in this role, providing leadership and support for pathway implementation, instructional initiatives, and collaboration among teachers within the pathway. CP10 Python Programming 1 has been added to the Inherently Honors course list, recognizing the advanced rigor and expectations embedded within the curriculum. In addition, the course status is transitioning to standard status. As a result, an updated curriculum guide has been released, along with a summary document outlining the key changes and updates. Similar to CP10 Python Programming 1, the status of CP11 Python Programming 2 is transitioning to standard status. To support this change, an updated curriculum guide has been released, along with a summary document highlighting the key revisions and updates to the course. Next, I will discuss changes to some of the supplemental technical courses that I manage. In addition to the pathways I manage, I will also serve as the lead consultant for the listed supplemental technical courses for the 2026-2027 school year. CS10 Introduction to Computer Science is transitioning to standard status for the 2026-2027 school year. To support this transition, an updated curriculum guide has been released along with a summary of the key changes. If offered at the middle grades level, it will satisfy the computer science graduation requirement. In addition, unsecured assessment items will be available in SchoolNet to support instruction and assessment planning. Because CS10 is one of the computer science courses that may be offered at the middle school level, fall professional development opportunities will be specifically designed to support middle grades educators. There are two Cambridge International Supplemental Technical Course additions for the 2026-2027 school year. Both courses have been added to the Computer Science Principles pathway. There are two IB course code updates for the 2026-2027 school year. IB Computer Science Standard Level, or SL, has changed from course code 2I00 to 0I02. IB Computer Science Higher Level, or HL, has changed from course code 2I01 to 0I03. Please ensure that scheduling, registration, and local documentation reflect these updated course codes. Additionally, because these courses fulfill the computer science graduation requirement, they have been removed as math credit options. Now let's turn our attention to the middle grades updates for the 2026-2027 school year. For the 2026-2027 school year, I will serve as the lead consultant for CY90 Exploring Computer Science, one of our middle grades computer science courses. CY90 Exploring Computer Science is now a state-managed course and will be in pilot status during the 2026-2027 school year. A recording of the May curriculum rollout is available on the NC-CTE Computer Science YouTube playlist. To support implementation, another curriculum overview webinar has been scheduled for August 12th. This session will be recorded and posted to the NC-CTE Computer Science YouTube playlist for those who are unable to attend live. Throughout the pilot year, 4 check-in meetings will also be held to gather feedback from participating teachers and support continuous improvement of the course. To support upcoming planning and professional learning, here is the contact information for our Pathway Teacher Leads who will be coordinating and facilitating professional development opportunities throughout the fall semester. Additional information, including professional development schedules, resources, and updates, will be posted on the CTE Resource Center. Next, I would like to highlight some additional professional development opportunities and resources that are available to all educators, regardless of pathway. There are several additional professional development opportunities and resources available to support computer science educators throughout the year. An interactive webinar focused on unpacking the NC-DPI AI guidelines will be offered in September 2026. Registration information will be released in August. The computer science team will also continue to host weekly office hours every Tuesday at 4:00 p.m., providing educators with an opportunity to ask questions, share ideas, and receive support. We also encourage you to visit the new K-12 Computer Science Resource Hub, which includes lesson integration ideas, instructional resources, and implementation guidance to support computer science education across grade levels. Finally, be sure to explore the NC-CTE Computer Science YouTube playlist, which serves as a repository for curriculum rollout presentations, on-demand professional development sessions, and course trailers. Here are some NC-TSA updates on behalf of Dr. Jerry Ann Taylor, the State Advisor and Executive Director. She can be reached via email at stateadvisor@nctsa.org. First, I would like to share some news and resources related to North Carolina TSA. North Carolina TSA was recently recognized by the National Technology Student Association for achieving its Forward to 50 goal. This initiative was designed to expand the number of TSA chapters in both middle and high schools across the state as we approach the organization's 50th anniversary. To support continued growth and engagement, I encourage you to visit the North Carolina TSA website and explore the educator resources available through the National TSA organization. In particular, the Chapter Advisor Guide is an excellent resource for teachers who are interested in starting a chapter or serving as a TSA advisor for the first time. I would also like to highlight several upcoming North Carolina TSA events. These opportunities provide students and advisors with valuable experiences in leadership development, competitive events, networking, and career exploration. Please take a moment to review the upcoming dates and deadlines. We encourage schools to begin planning early to ensure students can take full advantage of these opportunities throughout the year. To stay informed about the latest CTE news, resources, and opportunities, be sure to connect with NC-CTE across our social media platforms including the new NC-CTE Computer Science YouTube playlist. We also encourage you to share your classroom successes, student achievements, and program highlights on social media using the hashtag CTE for NC. We appreciate your commitment to providing high-quality computer science education for students across North Carolina. We look forward to working with you throughout the upcoming school year and encourage you to stay connected through the CTE Resource Center, office hours, and professional development opportunities. My email address is listed if you have any additional questions. Thank you for your time and continued dedication to computer science education.